Hello, this is your boy Miguel for the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know, I get down to get straight to the point. Just got finished leaving a customer who has an Acura. She was talking about how expensive her spark plugs were, and I gave her a mechanic tip. All she has to do is, and it kind of makes me a little upset because I'm a military member, but you can go to Advance and you go on the website and you buy the parts. And if you're a first-time customer, they'll offer you between 10 to 20%, depends on what they got going on at the time. And all you have to do is order it, call them up, get the part number, order it, and then go pick it up. And now you have a huge discount. Also, if you like this video, hit that Super Thanks button, because what we do is we put the money in the Super Thanks and we put it inside of an account. And what we do is, if we have someone who can't afford the full repairs and they're struggling, we take the money that you have donated to us and we turn it around and we give it back to the public. We also take the money and buy better equipment. And also, any of the equipment that we use, you can go to our store. It'll be in the description of the video. You can click on the store. You can pick out whatever it is that I use every day if you become a mechanic or whatever. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.